Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Think in English. I'm Sarah, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our awesome English learning family. Today, we have a super fun and challenging video, a day without money challenge. I'll be joined by my friend Emma, and we'll try to survive a whole day without spending a single penny while practicing our English. Stick around until the end, there's a quiz with questions about the video. Pay attention so you can get them right. Ready? Let's dive in. Emma. I'm absolutely buzzing about our challenge today. Me too, Sarah. But honestly, I'm feeling a little nervous. How on earth are we going to manage without spending any money? That's exactly what makes it so exciting. We'll have to think outside the box and get a little creative. First things first, breakfast. Oh no. This is gonna be tough. I usually just swing by the cafe for my go-to coffee and bagel. No need to panic. I've got some coffee we can brew at home, and I can totally teach you how to whip up some amazing homemade pancakes. Really? That sounds awesome. I'd love to learn. What ingredients do we need for these pancakes? Let me show you. We'll need flour, eggs, milk, and just a sprinkle of sugar, all things I already have chilling in my pantry. It's super simple, and trust me, they're going to be delicious. Wow, these pancakes are absolutely scrumptious. I can't believe we made them ourselves. What's next on our money-free agenda? I was thinking we could explore the city. There's a ton of free activities we can dive into. Like what exactly? Well, we could visit the public library to check out some books or even just hang out and read. Walking through the park is always refreshing, and don't forget about the free museum day. There's so much art and history waiting for us. Time flies when you're having fun. I can't believe it's already evening. This has been such an incredible day, and we didn't spend a single penny. Right? It's totally possible. Plus, we picked up so many new English words and expressions along the way. It's a win-win. Now, it's quiz time. Leave your answers in the comments below. Question 1. What did Sarah and Emma make for breakfast? Option A, bagels, B, pancakes, or C, cereal. Question 2. Which of these activities did they not do during their money-free day? Option A, visit the library, B, go shopping, or C, walk in the park. Question 3. What was the main lesson from today's challenge? Option A, money isn't everything, B, you need money to have fun, or C, cooking is difficult. Leave your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our money-free adventure. Subscribe for more daily English conversations and challenges. Can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye!